Hi everyone, I'm Michael Iwasa. I'm one of the founders here at Gifting Good, and I wanted to give a quick demo of how the printed holiday cards work that we ship on your behalf. This is an example of the card, front, back, inside, and just note that the cards that we send will just have the artwork on the front and your personalized message inside. On the portal, you have options for the cards you'd like to purchase, and you go in, you click the card that you'd like, you add it to your cart, and this is where you can upload your recipient list. In the recipient list, there's a template. You can fill it out in advance if you want in Excel or Google Spreadsheets and re-upload it here, or you can add your recipient list manually. I'll send this card to James. Over here, proceed. And on this screen, you can write your personalized message. Click edit here from Michael Iwasa. Oops. XX. Click save. Check the message. Check the recipient address. Add the return address here. Let's see here in the United States, and it's in here. Save, and then you go through the checkout screen. You want to select the mail date here. Select that, and then here you just put in, make sure everything looks right. If you have multiple cards, you'll see the price for each card, and you can also make last-minute edits, and then just move through the checkout process. Checkout process, return, billing, order review, and then enter your credit card. Once we receive your order, we will print and ship the cards in the next mail date that you selected. Thanks so much.